Here's a quick and simple repair for Alfa 159 parking sensors that keep beeping constantly or aren't making any sound at all. On the dashboard display, we can see a parking sensor error. We put it into reverse, and as you can hear, the sensors aren't working. Today I'm using the Delphi interface. I highly recommend it to everyone for these kinds of small garage jobs. The diagnostic port in the Alfa 159 is located on the left side. Just pull off the cover. We select Alfa Romeo, model 159, engine 1.9 JTDM 150 horsepower. To diagnose the sensors, scroll all the way to the bottom and select the second to last option, multifunction, or various functions. Then on the right, choose Central Unit and then Vallejo Parking Control System. Turn on the ignition, of course, and connect to the module. At this moment, I had an error for the rear right outer parking sensor. So only one was damaged, but because of it, none of them were working. Unfortunately, that part didn't record, but I've already replaced the sensor. You can see marked on the screen now which one was damaged. There's one error left. I'm clearing it now. And problem solved. Let's do a test. As you can see, the sensors aren't making noise anymore, and everything works as it should.